Big news in the world of finance. Credit scores, the numbers that define our financial lives. Whether you want a loan, a mortgage, or even rent an apartment, that three-digit score can decide your future. But here's the truth. The current credit score system is broken. It's outdated, unfair, and often inaccurate. Millions of people are credit invisible, meaning they don't have enough history to even get a score. And without a score, access to financial opportunities disappears. This is where blockchain could change everything. A decentralized credit system, transparent, global, and fair. No middlemen, no hidden formulas, no black boxes, just pure financial history, verified on-chain. Imagine a credit score built on blockchain. Every payment, every loan, every transaction recorded. No more waiting months for bureaus to update your report. Your financial reputation would be instant and real-time, and accessible anywhere in the world. Traditional credit scores rely heavily on banks. If you've never used a credit card, you might have no score. But on blockchain, your digital footprint matters. Paying bills, streaming subscriptions, even phone top-ups could all count toward your creditworthiness. This levels the playing field. Because billions of people worldwide are unbanked, they can't build credit in the traditional system. But with blockchain, their financial activity is recorded, giving them a chance to prove reliability. Another benefit: transparency. Today, credit bureaus can make mistakes. Errors in your report can ruin your score, and fixing them is a nightmare. Blockchain eliminates that problem. Once data is verified and written to the chain, it cannot be altered or erased. Your history belongs to you, not to banks, not to agencies, not to third parties. True financial ownership. But it's not just individuals who benefit. Lenders gain too. They can instantly verify a borrower's history. No expensive background checks. No waiting weeks for approvals. Small businesses could also thrive. Entrepreneurs in developing countries struggle for loans because banks don't trust their credit. But with blockchain-based scores, their entire financial journey can be shown transparently. Some projects are already testing this idea. Companies building decentralized identity systems, others focusing on reputation-based lending, and DeFi platforms experimenting with on-chain scoring. It's early days, but the momentum is real. Of course, challenges remain. Privacy is a huge concern. Do you really want your financial life fully public? Blockchain must balance transparency with security. Zero-knowledge proofs may be the answer. Another challenge is regulation. Governments control credit systems tightly. Will they accept decentralized alternatives, or try to regulate them out of existence? That's still unclear. Banks may also resist, because blockchain credit scores reduce their power. Right now, they decide who gets access. A decentralized system takes that control away, and gives it back to the people. But one thing is clear: the current system won't last forever. Technology is moving too fast, and the demand for fairness is growing. Blockchain offers a new path forward. Imagine applying for a loan in another country. Your blockchain credit instantly recognized. No need for lengthy checks. No need for local bureaus. Just trustless, verifiable data. This could also make lending cheaper. Less paperwork, less bureaucracy, more competition, and more opportunities for borrowers. So, will blockchain replace credit scores completely? Not overnight. But the shift has already begun. Decentralized identity, on-chain history, global finance. It's coming sooner than most expect. In the future, your financial trust may not depend on Experian or Equifax, but on your blockchain record. Fairer, faster, borderless. That's the vision of a decentralized credit score. The question is, will governments and banks allow it, or will they fight to keep control? Only time will tell.